Here at YouChoose, we've been using our anchor point and harness method to install windows from the inside without scaffolding for over 2 years now. To further improve our efficiency and safety while installing windows at height without scaffolding, we are now using bespoke window canopies which come in various sizes to suit different size windows. They are like rectangular umbrellas which we attach to the building with brackets and straps. The umbrella is attached to the outside of the wall and strapped in securely on the brackets. It forms a barrier stopping anything falling to the ground below, keeping our fitters safe inside and the public safe below. Here you can see us removing the old window with the canopy in place. This is how the umbrella looks from the outside. We are now installing the new windows with the canopy there for protection. Because no scaffolding is required, we can install windows in one flat without the need for everyone else in the block to do those at the same time. Now you can see us removing the canopy safely. Why not give us a call if you have a project for one flat or a whole block of flats and see if we can help.